This is Monterrey, Mexico, and I'm in the downtown, which is a little bit of an economically depressed industrial area. Monterrey in general is a huge economic hub for North Mexico, a business and industrial center. Everything from steel mills to banking to cement, baked goods, and back again. You can see the mountains in the background there. I don't know what they call that range. And as you might imagine, at nighttime, this is not the nicest area in terms of safety. At nighttime, there's a lot of bars in the area, and you see people inside watching the soccer game, loud norteño music coming out of them, and people eating good food. All right, I'm going to wrap this up here. What do you think of Monterrey, Mexico?